My name is Tu. You can call me like number two, and I'm from Vietnam. They actually really take care of my case because I transferred from J1 to F1. It's a lot of paperwork to do everything. They take care of me really well, just guide me step by step instead of just, let me figure it out by myself. It's like hybrid program. The professors manage time really well. We still can balance work and study. I think it's really good experience for us to manage our time. So, like the weather in San Diego is perfect. So we just like hang out on the beach and then go to school. So it's like a perfect day for me, to be honest. I mean, I choose San Diego because of the weather. In the Marriott in San Jose, which is really good. They told me because I joined the master program, so it's a bonus point for me. They promote me to assistant manager. So that's reached my goals. I would say why not? Because we're still young and we have more opportunity to explore our world. Hãy tự tin và tìm hiểu thế giới này nhé.